Quel que soit le pays, quelle que soit la race, ce message est dédié aux gens du monde entier. Pas perdu l'espoir, car les craintes j'ai gardé, pas quitter le temps passé.
Sous tes pieds pour la vie, je n'en veux l'esprit.
Pousser jardin, maillot va pousser. Car les craintes j'ai gardé, pas quitter le temps passé.
Que pied boit la ville, chercher l'enfant l'esprit.
Pousser jardin, maillot va pousser. Pas décourager, faut persévérer. Pas perdre l'espoir.
Another miracle in Haiti, when 2 young children were found alive in a collapsed building 7 days after being trapped under rubble. Efforts put together by the New York Police Department and New York Fire Department saw the 8-year-old boy and the 10-year-old girl pulled from the destroyed 2-story building in Port-au-Prince. The severely dehydrated children, believed to be brother and sister, were rushed to an Israeli tent hospital for treatment and reunited with their parents.
There was an agreement between everybody in the country that at 4:53 when the earthquake happened, that every day after we would pray to God for those who died and for those who survived. It's a collective decision for everybody to stay outside, whether their homes stand or not. You can still buy a house, you can still rebuild, but it's the lives that are lost that are most important.
It says nobody could fully understand unless they saw it with their own eyes.
I couldn't have imagined the way those people lived before. And I could read about it, I could see it on the news, but to be there, to sense it, to smell it, to experience it with them, to touch those people, you know, to see their lives, that's it's a whole nother level of knowing.
Dr. Faddis and his crew partnered with a local church where they set up a medical clinic and treated earthquake victims.
We had crowds, we had lots of people, we certainly had people that were, you know, cutting in line to get into the clinic faster, but for the most part, the folks were fairly orderly.
Pictures from the trip show people crying in the streets, children needing help.
Ini pensez sur quel bagage vous